Hello, friends. This is geography, and we're going to learn about settlement. We're going to learn about where people live, and we're going to answer a lot of questions in the course of learning this. First of all, what do you think people need? What do you think people need? Now, there are three basic things that people need in life. Three of them. The first one is food. The second one is what? Clothing. And the third one is what? Shelter. Now, these three things are the basic needs of man: food, clothing, and shelter. Now, we are going to focus more particularly on the third one, which is shelter. Now, the concept of shelter is what has brought about the need to study about settlement. When we talk about settlement, we talk about where people settle, where people live, where people, just get comfort. Okay? Now, the aim of this lesson is that you should be able to explain what settlers need. What exactly do settlers need? In the course of this lesson, you will be able to identify or discover what settlers actually need. So, for us to be able to explain what settlers need, these are four important things that you must know. Four important things. So, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to say, I can identify important features of a settlement site. What exactly a settlement site looks like. So you will be able to identify the features of a settlement site. The second thing you will be able to say you actually know or understand is that you can list the resources a settlement needs to thrive. Number three, you can rank human needs by importance. And then the last thing you will know is that you will be able to describe how human needs have changed over the time. In that, you will imagine what human needs was maybe 100 years back, or maybe 10 years back, or maybe 1,000 years back. So you'll be able to describe how human needs have changed over time. Now, the question I have here is, what do you know about settlement? Do you know anything about settlement? Why have settlers decided to build houses? Here, just take a look at the picture. Why do you think settlers decided to build houses? Look at it. Look at it. You can see the houses. Why do you think settlers have decided to build houses everywhere? Why? Just think about it. Okay, could it be because of sites? Could it be because of sites? What do you think? Is it because of sites here? Now, when we talk about sites, we are talking about the environment. The environment. Is it because of the wonderful things that they can find around the settling environment or the settlement environment? Is it about the aspects? When we talk about the aspects, we talk about the atmosphere. Okay, we talk about the is it sunny? What is the weather like in that area? Okay, is it very windy, or is it rainy all the time in that area? Could it be what people or what settlers really look out for? Okay, do you think settlers actually consider the resources they will get? Maybe there could be crude oil, there could be coal, there could be gold, there could be rivers, there could be wonderful things, that they can explore from that area. Could it be because of that? Or could it be because of links? When we talk about links, we talk about the chains of transportation, or the means of transportation, maybe the road. Could it be that there's enough good roads in that area? Or could it be that there's a nearby airport, or maybe a river that people can travel through using canoes or ship or boats? So we will get to find out exactly what settlers look out for. Why have settlers decided to actually build house in this particular place? Why? What are they seeing? What is more important to them, or most important to them, as the case may be? Now look at this. Like I explained before, the sites could be flat, okay, and all that. It could be because of the aspect. Maybe it's very windy, okay, and they don't like it. It could be because of the resources. Maybe there is water supply, there is food supply, there is fish, maybe there is woodland animals that they can have as pets, or even kill to eat. you know could it be that the farmland is very flat? Okay. Could it be that there's enough wood that they can use to make fire, or even use to build their houses? Or is it about the links? Maybe there's boats to convey their goods from one place to another. Okay. So let's look at this. Now here is it's a game. So in this game, you are to sort these. I'm going to send you this later. Okay, you play this game. Here we have wood nearby, we have animals living nearby, we have transport links, we have flat ground, we have fertile land, we have easy to defend, we have water supply, we have shelter from weather. So you are going to place these things according to their level of importance. Okay, anyone that is the most important